Hi guys, in front of me is Doogee T10 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then go to Wallpaper and Style and click on Change Wallpaper. Here you can pick on device wallpapers, solid colors, seascapes or one from your own photos. Let me choose on device wallpapers. Here you've got all the options. Just choose the one that you wish to apply, for example this one. And now you can see how it looks on your home and lock screen. And if you wish to apply it smoothly, click on confirmation mark. Then set it either on your lock screen only or on both home and lock screens. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screen. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.